say ya Facebook live wo hwe ye one more Adom 106.3 FM YouTube see them live Adom 106.3 FM no Benny ni suzuma die bre na so se enei oman no ensem a ekoso ewo mu ene ye de ahyase na awotwe mu dendendendendende ya disua mu nsem omayi adisua nhyehyɛ ye ya ekoso ye kasa ye ma scholarship nipa ye de mabobo mbayi mu omanya yetimu adisuafo ya ye boabo se wonim de nanso emmoa ye sese bonya no wawofu ebia sika boso wode boabo na bi ni honomo enti oman ni nhyehyɛ ye se ye de so wasene no abusua kwan be so ne ye fa ye dwono adisua mu nsem na ne ye dure no wonim se free be se na awotwe mienu ne nade ene ye yahwe free senior high school no ehwo nhyehyɛ ye di kan yahwe ya sanye mpanimfo ayo no piak report yo de baye fa free senior high school eni mwa ya abre omayi yedi kanyahwe eni niema etosi ebomu ena nei so aba betodwa emfie nson nie emfie nson efiri afimpinu ani edumienu beto sabre ehwehwemu a odi cha January ye fa emmoa get found adwumakuo no ye kan get found de dia eni ekuo ba ko Ghana se ye ka disua Say bua ma adanya yesi adisua tumi apagya ye bua disuafo ama wosuku atumi akwa animu get fan secretariat no wadwuma ya abo ye modern moya abode bua disuafo efa scholarship ye wo so de ema ho no 7 years nimfie nso ena mpanimfo de aye nhwehwemu se get found scholarship ye wo se bode ma disuafo brilliant by needy students when ye se no adisuafo abonimu ade nanso wo ho kire wo wontumi nyina baabi esese bogina emwo esese mpanimfo de so wasene no emfie nsonnie adie nti na niema ye troka adie nti na adisuafo dodo no a esuo yese get fund scholarship and wanya get fund sponsorship and wanya nanso wo kodu baabi a wo ko sukuu no a no obobna ene yesika mayo amanfo bromosia bomu reason no ene saying enu ena odi cha January nhwehwemu wo mu a enne yabusie ni abetodwa odi cha January report ye da bonten emfie nso nhwehwemu ampanimfo chese waye efa scholarship a get from ampanimfo edema no ni abetodwa ne se nipa wo se no fata nke wo se scholarship no ye de ma wo no ye mfa masa nipa no nipa emra no kire se ye mfa ma nipa wonimade eso eba se enke obetumi akosoro abon kire bo sa nipa no enye bo ne scholarship no ye de ma wo ena get found mpanimfo so senka nhyehyɛ ye mo ye se wonumu sikai eboso odema ema scholarship secretariat se fund eboso odema was supplementary fund ebose wode ko nanka scholarship secretariat wonumu asade esese boye wonhwemu kwan eboso ofaso no yi nipa wose no ofata no from 2009 den from 2009 edienti ena get fund mpanimfo asabre no ho decide yese da bi yemfa nko ya nkasa ye beye ya de beye ye ntoto ye beye ye selection ye bosa ye report no odi cha January report no abusua ne eda adi no na chese from 2009 according to the report no empanimfo anu wo get fund secretariat no wo bu mra no so emra se momfa nko scholarship secretariat won hwen wonye mwadwa ena nipa kura ye se ye sponsor bono enya adisuafo a entete no wo gi wo my Ghana ena get fund penifo so mu say ye ne ankase ye beye na free sabre no so no sponsorship o yes wode be ma nipa wode ma wo no emu o hanche mu be sadua wotwe 80% no wonum nyina ye bone ye kwaje ntete ye bo ameno ne abrochie suku akese ye bone ya wokoye na busua sa wo hwe report ni din a ewomuo report ni din a ewomuo nipa bi a ye bo wodin sabo ye needy students so ye needy parliamentarians so wuntumi hu eso no se wo kọ report no mu a anye bia no mrahye badwafo bese num mrahye badwafo ya bodin ewomuo ya yaboa bon mrahye badwafo ye boa bon se wo mo ye po wo mo ye needy wo hiamwa na chese wuntumi ntoa de koro se ye course no okoye o enhyehyɛ ye bo se wokoye no abusua emra no sane America se niye da di pefe ni se yemfa moa disuafo a wonimade eso wonyamwa eno no wo hono mo but emrano yasan sha de abase get fund mpanimfo so wotumi say eniyema bi e fa adesua ho ebeboa no so no wonum tumi ye san hyehye ne de boa eti ne se mrahye badwafo woniyema a wo ye beboa adesua ne yese wonko efisabusua wo hwe courses a wonum koye ye ebi wo ho no mo a wonim paase nipa yi ne profession we ni no ye na wo hwe course nipa no koye ye yo so wo de ba beboa ma empuntu akoso sanye enanu yaba enye mrahye badwafo no anu yaba ebi chemu so bo abra minya sa scholarship no na menye minister but the point still remains say parliamentarian obi a oyem mrahye badwani obi a oyem mrahye badwani en sentwereni a boye nadwuma eni din list no weda abonten no hifo pa na boye ni di no ewo abusia enne ye behwe efise omanya yetimwe no scholarships ahoro a ye de ema no ye kire nipa sese ye de scholarship ema no se ye fa koko scholarship a enu kura de ni din ne honam sese wo bi a na wofo eba koko no a wo ma me wo papa de enka koko e wo dobi na so wo ba wo mu a enka wo ba wo kosuku a koko scholarship anya de so obenya eso ne komuna kohwe komu free tete mresante kona kowe wobi wo hono mo abisa nse koko ye dua na se koko no ye tene sura na se etu ne se banche oni won TV poda eso koko scholarship en wodi kosu na koko kuani a wono no ne nsem asi cheche wadwa ma ne nsem asi cheche no wono nyade ye se ne babenya scholarship scholarships ahoro ye manu omayimu amanfo mesikafo ma ministers ne yesikafo ma ena na ewu kwa scholarship ayesi yemfa ma needy but brilliant students adisuafo a wonimade eso na wofo ni bi esikafo ma en woje eti abusia ena ye behwe get found and shisha ya mpanimfo ye any recommendations ahoro a enei Auditor General edi aba report no de parliament report no de akoto mrahye badwam chiame pono so se mrahye badwam chiame enhwe ene nipa no bi a yesi wobi ne ho kire no wo ye hiani esukuu no okro no ntumi nkọ ya so na se ye nwire mu wobi a chese wonye wobi a wo hia mmoa no woje mmoa no ene sika na wo so de ba won fa sika no mra na get fund for so nsesa bon hyehyɛ ya wode ye adwuma get fund for hyehyɛ ye reason ya bogina so na omunimpa ase mra no mu no enye ye na wo se ye gebo so ne ye ka se nipa no a ye de scholarship ne be ma ye ne ye be ye selection no ye na chese bibia be si ye na so nke wo se scholarship secretariat na ye no reason ti a wo mokɔgye boss so 2009 wo gye boss no eno so wo muntwam na ba bi ye wo se niema fa ne mfa na emra ne se nipa no Ghana ha ne boso okosuku eti abroche die bebrebe nu ewom no na busia can you imagine obi na kan say can you imagine say obi waje scholarship e wo mayimu no wo so wo ko UK okoye nursing wo ko UK wo okoye nursing wo hwe courses abi mo koye ye omode aba abusia na wo bisa ho say eno no Ghana ha sei na bi ni ana sese anasa kwanya no abanti obi ateto ye ti obi agum no obi ye abusia na nwumre ye hwe get fund reporter ene Auditor General owura dom level wode ababetu dwane nso na abusia report no so nsem ni bi wo ho no mo a eye den na mrahye badwafo ni nipa ni bi din abamu a wo mo so no chese mo anya scholarship ni bi o enti din na fa hin na bewura mu efse mrahye badwani mo manfo wo achim so eduro woni mo nyamfo Canadian ako wose nyako wose me chese minim panye fa so a midin ko mo efse me sa scholarship me nyibi eye den na mrahye badwani no ni din ko mu ena yenua baba concentrate ba ko no so ene wo Germany won so ni din wo mu dendendendende ene wo GB so se menyeye enti report no list na din kura edin bebrebe na wo mu no edin no a ye de aba ne aka no ewo hefa ena omo soso a chese esese omu din ano ewa GB o se menyi bi ebi kura de decide say they are going to court if say mrahye badwafo no a wo mu nim ye pa se ye gyemoa no o ma admit ya jemwa no ebisi o mekoye se me de beboa ma mamu akoso na constituency mpuntu akoso obi reason no ene obi so se manye enti report no die kom abusua ene yasem adap no so tiaboa no bani ni so dwumadie ne yehwe anwumre eti wadwenche medical dia to anim si edam live wo Facebook Adom 106.3 FM betumi ahwe wadwenche no ene odi bi eto wono mo a ebresem ne akenkan ede ama medin abusua frame ABY mejo so
Jim FM.
Ena yene mpanimfo besi adwa ene yebone awakwada abadesua mu yene wotena se ne ahwe kwanya ye faso na ye ma scholarship yi ewo mayi mu enkanka ne ne fa adesua ho kwanya mpanimfo faso ye get fund die ni aba betodwa minim se na ye betie hu se enye get fund die nko scholarships ahoro ye de ma wo mayi mu brofo term da honom ne se yemfa ma needy but brilliant students no saa ne kono ana niema chia kwan be so na bose yefa ne yetumi etoto eniema yie ye ne mra hye badwam mpanimfo ye hwa adesua so betwetwe nkomo ewo honom ne awie a ye nua ba ne mpanimfo bi a mpanimfo ka o na ya mawo moa ne ya mawo mo so so munya ye no abusua no so ye bekom na ho aseda ye de ma alomo beaters alomo at 20 emfie duonu ni alomo beaters modern mo abobo enim waye odi aboa abusua nesa wonum alomo beaters no a ento sachet ne ntwene wanum alomo beaters awie no sachet no sachet na to ya hwe ho so ohwe ho na ponche da ho a straight ne woton bia kogina ne kyese momfa ma ponche ma me ahoma so ne mene no waje una ade wade esne no wonni mfie du nwotwe a don venture wonni mfie du nwotwe a enkoho alomo beaters emfie duonu alomo say product ni yenti 20 years oda so gina ne naso en agbeve heba center agbeve nie edupapa nie en agbeve fever de malaria no ntontom no aba etu ase na nei mona soap na mona cream abusuan enkopo etoda na ne ewuchu ponso no obi so aye kokwa no de ponso na emom se mi kotonku na me de asra me kotowe na me de asra pode eye wunya mona soap mona cream agbeve heba center na dia badwa so ema skin no tuntum kokwa no wagewade kama na adi soap ni dwa na adi cream ne sra wo behu se scent ye boni padua no good scent good scent no wagewade wona wosene no Franco Trading Enterprise so de papa Franco adawroma ene TV a short o TV e mustaise TV ne wo pe na wutwusu eno so aba wunse mobile phones ne de wo hodada ana flash screens no so abeka ho etu kwa asemeje Franco TV no wagewade wona wosene no abusua medin ABY make us say Deputy PR Roma Education Ministry eye owura kwasi obimfosu ewo fiase ene ne din no baba Tofik wo hu who say edidi bi on me say o ni dia e shehifa
we kwa de ni adaka mu we mum na dabonti
we mum na dabonti kwasi obimfosu ewo fie ha ene ye wo minua bema Kofi Asare Executive Director ma Africa Education Watch na chese be education mu adesua mu wode wani de akire hwese ne niema esi ekono na busua no na me de ato wani mu no etoda na wo colleague bi wo nua bi na wo hwese ne osi nimade na nso mo ne ma no wo kafie a wa wutimi se niema ntwa ye na scholarship no so bi scholarship se ba bi amanfo bi gie anchire mu no wo komu a ensi ase ene ye behwe wo mu a ye ma won scholarship ewo magi mu deserving students and ye scholarships na maboni ana ye ne mpanimfo betwetwe nkomo ebre yesemu ma mini kan emma mpanimfo ewo fiase akwaba na ye nkaja engu mpanimfo makwaba
yenua
boko de
bako na so
Adom eja fosu
radi ne yedi ne yebiem
ne won se modwuma no eduru se ya na aba efira no pa otonwo for mohu
ze wa hwe atade ehye na meda so tia na e ba ha coin masansa me chia be
na wasansa we chia be fi se won se wo main de onu ye se na so ayehye so also be kwatafo a so also be kwatafo a na wo se waso
mamentia e ko Vincent ni mi se tafofo suti obo no homodo mo anti na obre yo
so also be kwatafo a
ana mi ke omo anti na obre wakasa kasa nya tafofo nti no
wa
tafo de shento mo nkai no mo mo ano
eti se adwuma na e wo so ye fa e wo so o ye fa fi se ono uniform papa te 25th na April ni ntwa mu a na ni de dasoro men sentra
boy homodin.
That's it. My miniabema Kofi Asari so Akwaba. Ejo Kofi.
Mame.
Abojisena adane dwunawi.
Pressure nkwa.
Sir. Say pressure, good pressure. Who say ebi wo hoye.
Pressure dey mixture. 4951.
Me gidi say na a reporter abeto Auditor General reporter abeto dwai no. Wanya bi ede wani ahwemu ensema hodo ye womo recommendations aba efa get found 7 years ni kwanya mpanimfo afaso na waye bwadwuma sinto ya abamu eja say me gidi say wahwemu bi
mashemu na min dikan tiefo nyina mahwe Auditor General report na on the get fund no mashemu na ayaoka for the past 5 years na ayana my heading kakra because
7 years.
Yes, 7 years. Oh yeah, you education sector na there. Issues na major na yen for program aye. Ya kan ya bre. Auditor General last report, the last one I buy no. Name kan no. And different from this. In 2010, omo another performance audits and also the same issues. And you know, share the various findings of successive Auditor General's reports on the performance of the Get Fund now. The same issues are related to other different institutional weakness. Any lack of accountability, issues relating to undefined allocation formulas, lack of focus and direction of spending, prudence in spending, and the lack of a legislative instrument. Emma omutumi etoto mo niema ye as a secretariat board no secretariat no administrator na Auditor General bonidi ono the head of the secretariat but we hear me na ye get fund mbana 1998-99 tama na discussions e cost towards the get fund ye na na discussions no fund the law on the buy in 2000 no na the law no MCG say ye be here legislative instrument na aboa it provided a framework secretariat and be operate because get fund no emra no an hye ne say onye implementing agency and yes na get fund is setting up no sa LI no every 4 years and 5 years be an say Auditor General yen report na say of oye adverse findings pe na ya kan say na jat one because you hu ni say successive government no and you bia ne interest say obey then obe put it together a framework ebe buana obone beka say ebe insulate the Get Fund Secretariat from unnecessary and undue political interference. And you know, omo operate orders were without any lie. It's time bia Auditor General be say report we obeka say there is no proper legal framework or institutional arrangements, and then rules no any properly defined near there. And you know the basic course and say what kind section 24 of the Get Fund Act now and clear say the Minister of Education in consultation with the board of the Get Fund will take steps to develop a legislative instrument. NASA in airline are guided in operationalizing the work of the secretariat. Sa lakuna na ewo hono no abwa politicians pa enne mo kwa mo interfere
tokuru no edemu ase ye nhyeda enchiremu ye ma eniema mu na ho
enne na ma kwa mo interfere no because if we bounce if your bounce say when defining the framework within which I was say secretariat no operate here. Nasa administrator also no or your appointee of the president. Tambia one penny for you appointing new administrator. And you know, someone ni elia emamo the legal basis to do open up a lot of loopholes for politicians and parliamentarians no to interfere in the work of the Get Fund. Overshare see I'm not say. Oh yeah, where's a Get Fund? Your MP's allocation or Get Fund. Last 2 years, you allocate 2.3% of Get Fund. MPs some fire monitoring of Get Fund projects. MPs only monitors.
MPs in fire monitoring of Get Fund.
2008, you allocate 20 million Ghana cedis for MPs to monitor get fund project. One brad this assembly be a monitoring unit. And you know identity because the call say a formula, a approval from parliament, so my formula for the get fund. Now almost some of them demands about. And the increase in OSHA because LIB and you get fund no has been subjected to constant rape and abuse by politicians, both in the executive and in the legislature.
Then ye no ye emra chese yenya ye be bon hihye ye ni chidom.
Emra ye politicians over time for the past 20 years now. Or more any interested say or me put in place because say in place Emma Quine Emma won't interfere too much. But say LIB any one institutional arrangements now ebe boa ama get funds staff secretariat no na future no my adwuma within no we dey can say get fund no and you adwuma so be implemented projects o kan law na omo ehye mbra no omo susu say get fund e was on be then on be implemented projects omo de e fund management o sure e clear but aside say sa LI no any honunti no there's a weak institutional system into how get fund omo ne other agencies be relating now and you defining the law the day just broad LI say must details about how the get fund will relate to all other agencies near there and until you want to say get fund and scholarship secretariat during the period and I'm discussing with me limiting it to during the period of the audits because of certain ongoing reforms via relationship between get fund and the secretariat defined into bottom we no pair no man is on pair or man is as simple as that
because per the report 2009 and I get fund secretariat in decided say scanner was a scholarship secretariat ya nkasa ya taking decision say ya the better
no and then that was the beginning of beginning but that was one instance of illegality just because LIB and the ma kwan la ko na be da ho ma kwan ma politicians no move room wo hono mo say yen because get fund board na politicians na also I mean omnom control what you say and administration no so politician appointed by the president the board chairman is appointed by the president and the board admin no so appointed by the president and you know politicians na hono mo nti sa kwan we be da hono mo a omutu be ka say yemma wo scholarship secretary ska bank LI airline detailing the institutional arrangement, the relationship between the get fund and other agencies of state almost functions are related to the get fund. And yeah, there say they get fund. There was money Ghana library, money scholarship secretary, anka LI or horror and can be reduced to a reasonable extent the level of interference you witness from politicians, both in the executive and in the legislature. And you know, LI no, and the source of all these discussions, and the source, the root cause of near discussing the symptoms, any outcomes of institutional and legislative weaknesses, but the root cause, the lack of and LI which is operational.
Just sorry, my mina was na memra deputy PR so ura kwasi obin fosu fosu mo ministry no ene ne Ghana for dodo no ate ya wo ho dwiri won ene se edin ba ne ebete se education minister ya wo no ena ministry no heso yeso onu su ni din ewo mu bi members of parliament din ewo mu bi ansa na no pay enchiremu eba eti ministry no masem a mode ba abonti fra no pai efa minister din apie mu MPs bi din apie mu ho.
Okay, nti mamenchia adumati efenwumre so ebiwai wa hwe release the free ministry aba the free naka eba the free honorable adjusafo office eba just releases ni bebre one we are a minister there but we share the other ones now e will report in more honorable adjusafo also on scholarship crowd get funder on scholarship bia wo honum it whatever a year wo bia no ono de on scholarship bia nkonkosu ade but say we are crowd ball MP no so ka say on scholarship bia get fund
achim so edro mra shebedwani also say onye enti no oni ne lawyer say kasa
so enti no we shall report na sense bebre wo na ye the ministry no Ministry of Education now I was a ministry they release a Bible and say minister our ye minister Honorable Dr. Matthew Boku Prempe Ministry of Education about the Minister of Constitute the minister and J scholarship enko abrochim kusuade onko Harvard okay enti ushe minister so release on also the buy as Dr. Matthew Boku Prempe amunsa kabini so ono so akire say tama on second scholarship say onko kusuade no onko yes training no that 3 weeks training no na year 2014 our year member of parliament and now on now you also be minister of education because that time now our opposition 2 years to elections and then inside class scholarship you know na ba second inside class scholarship you know we so tey I say Harvard fund the tons afre omo this opportunity to buy for training now so the Taiba o si ko parliament wa ya dey Taiba I ba both minority and majority obi take advantage na bebre na no obi a hwe bi obenya funding e akọ ebi koji omu dey wo other places but no follow on get fund because no him say ade okwakosia no obo betima impact because we share ase wono ma akonya da wo say obi okwa bibi about education bia no utimi sponsor man ko now odiko to get fund ani omu hwem ehun se nka to de aba na dimu o qualify so okọ ono mu guarantee no koye ebi aso ati ase ono no onfa ni san ko bo futu bia mu ko yiska enkotu abihwe ma ne ho na 2014 kwa no na aba kra ni aba mu ano de ne nsem ne nkata ko get fund for anim omu hwemu ye no mo se o qualify tie ma na ye no mo di ma no de okoye eti ono no de oni onhu funso bi awaye aba be clear ne ho awie yi eti we been consistent yes my can dey no an ye ka so obedi minister yi onye get fund scholarship enkonkosia de on benefiting from get fund in any way it is sanity
but we benefited from the get fund and yes bra no ye minister but when ye be get fund for us on asene but no ye minister no ye MP
ai eno ye akwanya e parliament a omodico training e bra no omodico training e wo e ba de bia enyo no nko a na MPs bebe na oni everybody there most interesting thing is so can report na omomunya sa foreign scholarship is over 2000 now then 86 penny at the bar one thing.
And then
you see, never be because you see, you and now one share you be tempted to. Other in a election, you see,
and no so na me baby if you say nyabote din baye e ma hye badwafo no din omo din baye no onmunyam for Ignatius bafo awia owo say come na hye badwam a o mo side Mavis nkansa boadu also majority side wa and a minister eso majority ansa na onmunyam for Kennedy Osenya akon onso wo mo side wa nti nya nwanwa se mo de mo nko na ase mo padufude eti scholarship no ba ye no parliament ye wo both majority and minority mo nko na mo de mkoje ye
enti se sa afere ma scholarship over 3000 out of 3000 no emu 2000 foreign scholarships tiene o sa report yi span capture ye no scholarships mo issue ye over 3000 emu 2000 and a little over 2000 and foreign scholarships they can local scholarships what you say today is Ghana for do na apply ko get fund during that period bebrena kusua ade wo amanone bebrena do na kusua
almost 80%
yes yes within that period 2012 to 2018 no omo apply for Ghana get fund scholarship no education trust fund scholarship no emu over 80% that scholarships no foreign scholarships say I don't know it's well established. 1 2 so say we share a list of over 2000 now for 86 pen abeto abontin a ye di hu ye like nkomo a minister so akasa ade no ba both majority minority side ni nya no be take advantage enti no so no amafo bi say ade na edin aka no ye de asie na ma Ghana phone de ewom ebi no ba ya ebi anke enti ase ye ka no se ne ye ka ni ebi kra anka ye nkakra because we show we okay say ade ni o say ne bi anka ne isi be mama no si o we na nka bi anya say enwuma ya betre bi anka ye ka se foforo ebi anka you show recommendations wonderful recommendations auditor general de bae and response get fund to their man o can get fund administrator response as at now reforms are all year ho nyina wa state ebe solve most of these problems but I just want recommendations mo o say share report mo say so ka say I na we na bi o kwa ma bi sa me come na me say ya ade na ma me o ti say enyo bi na enyo no na sorry say me ba hwe mo ne mamu me na me de ade abeto me say ye ma me na de na we and wa ma me bi sa me say amehu we get fund
Ebi say what can report no so no auditor general person na sem a wo kan say sane na manfo omo benefit from get fund scholarship no a ebi wa broche yentua sika no manfo bobna ne sa ne ma no na wo mu decide ye say wo say ye nhwehwemu na ye hwe reason ti a manfo su die na enkoso ye wo ho na we are saying get fund for na contract wo mo
me be for my kind of portion or request say adena once and family I'm like
you get fund for
so me na obey we hwehwe me nemem who be a so to bisa na me ya no asa control report so ti ase sa no ye na nto trimu a we control report so no what ase ewom eti sa wo hwe de na me kan ya 2000 na edina aka wo mu a odi asie no ade na dem farmer out na say ye discuss ade holistically. It was one for bisa questions pa.
Enti mumu suspect say.
I'm for bisa questions pa because you see
I'm for ben bisa question. Mumu suspect say dia na ekoso.
Ebi an no ntie krom. I'm for bisa questions.
Ebisa me hawa me wo mu ne say yabubu nipa bidin na omatima ba bonte be ka say da bi me de menyi bio eno no wo ho no mo.
Ba mu say me sika no. Emu information ni bebe on me to sin kaka. Ebi ne de wa kan ni bi de ya bobo so. Utie kra na obi okọ siska se na ni mu kra. Siska no ko hu bi da. Scared ya se na nim so oje ye no.
Oda ma menko nipa ba ko ani din ewo mu. Ya nkase enua ba ko ya ni din wo mu a se woje ye se wanye se school no nya ko ya na sa fe no obeko no. Abusua ye kwa homa so ne Hajia Ramana Sharif atwetwen enkomo. Hajia din ewo mu ne okọ list no mu a ni din ewo mu. Hajia, good evening. Hello Hajia.
Hello.
Hajia, good evening.
Good evening.
Minim pa se ba bia wona de asa eso wa wunim ye adwuma se ne yesi ye na wo se ye ne ho ekasa anwumre ye hwe auditor general report abetodwa ani chese get fund din ye wo mo se nipa bia nya scholarship o modi akọ school se o deserve so deserve ani ye listen wo ho ye hwa ne ye ko hu udin Hajia Ramana Sharif se udin ewo mu eja inkanke nimza wo de adwuma ye ne wa na ye na udin akopie honom no hin na wo ko school waje scholarship akọ school awie no
assembly say me apply scholarship no abra minya admission at University of Reading and me submit my admission letter and me request for sponsorship any nyoma aka omu hia so person o request for sponsorship so me submit mo me ho na mo frame me say omo ka che me say me nko omo take decision be frame so me ho na mo frame me say omo select me into the letter na me ko letter into me letter no na was prepare for some UK no and atama me in 2013 no Enti preparations for visa no and I beto mu say UK government say students of free Ghana echo UK bia for on get fund scholarship no I was say ukra receipt here say which ya office nyina omutia office nyina and sana UK government ama wa apply for UK student visa no and yes ombe denial intimate ya say omobeye payment no na media akọje visa no but up to the time I go school 22nd September no month years can intina school no ma me say up to 22nd October so mamba na was say me defer na me defer course no me defer course no to 2014 2014 still let's can no muntia time no so say was say me con still ni in cheese can media con e ba get fans so amba na nyame Yiadom ma worry sorry and me worry na me could so o je me no say was me ba na me de ba me intimate ba je me na still scan no muntia to school no extra me say me ba na say me let me see scan no muntia and na me personally me say scan me say scan na me tia Until some come defer me for another year. No more to there be. Or more defer me 2 times. Until almost mean defer you. No, me feel okay. And your more cancer admission. Until honor ending. Until Manco UK. Manco ready. For the past 6 years, we see UK that. Until me need baby a face scanner. You mutia mano, and I say baby a coy.
Eti na wote se udin abamu no ye bubo din amanfo ye yi no wanwana haji adin ene womwe no what take action be
yeah me investigation so wa woni me eduma yi nti me investigation kakra ansana me wia me dia to mpanyimfo no enum
se woka se yenim wadwuma ya yemu bi yenim wo wadwuma na wo yanka wo gi scholarship na ko school abeso asene no eye de adwuma
ona me journalist my editor wa Adom FM bla my Mr. Chief from Metro Mr. Chief even from Love FM in Kumasi na me di ba Metro na ansana me ba multimedia ntina I was in media. But at a point, I shifted into development communication. So I was communications manager for Send West Africa.
Eti say sani wo kan no wo ye wan kasa investigations ade a get fund no mpanimfo wo be tro letter bi akọ school no ana ebi so ani etua sika no ko school mu na wo nya abo a
ni nyina me pese me because the way I am nepo na was say me di film because can I'm ba meeting say omutua school na meaning say Reading is a very credible institution. So mutua scan more at a point be akra. I'm sure some person this scan back a more and I said they would have informed me. So many information there from Reading and many information from Get Fund. So up to a rana me I was shocked.
Enti ye nimu ni se wudin ba auditor general report mu sei ne ya twro wagisika wonye ye gise emremu no wo de famra kwan so ansa ne be yi wudin oni e wo se ye ya afa ho ti wa ye ready e fi se nipa no mu din aba mu bi no
my ready
obi won mo se me ne me lawyer say kasa no mahu legal action e wo se me take o de se uti jama yo wo ba Ghana na se wo be free Germany abaye adwuma na wasa akọ wo hu.
Oh, lawyers there's some more Ghana baby. Tino. Nina ye.
Mate me hadia ade asame emfonsi anada. Damaye na ne yebesi achi bia decision bia wo be take bia no yebedi wachi ye no waye adwuma dey dey tese ne ye no na ye abomu ayedase.
Desime dase pa.
Ye dase pa. Abusia hadia Ramana Sharif ne kane ye ne na ye adwuma wa Adom FM aseida. Si e ka se scholarship no ayema no wo bi ha ene adwuma ye
o point ni di so de onimi no
o say
so onimi pa
why dey
point ni di ana
na me MP scratch so mu ye point
ana mi ke etino chese na enye MPs ni ye yinkwa media men ka ho ada for nyina to me benefit from that scholarship. Yeah, that is it.
Nti MPs ne de no boni bia ni ho.
No, you see say idea
eno no ye the next year beba ho say MPC just a scholarship yi ni e wo students bi wo hono mo a wo no wa twro wa fa kwan bia so wonya bia e right ye beka say o na emra no ma ho kwan say MPs ne mpanimfo bi so enya bi
ma yen cheche ho nimu ye
cheche ho nimu ye
ho no so cheche
no cheche ho ye
no say o kan kwase e wa de cheche ne say me minister here cry example. Minister scholarship or DN, we found a masters, we found a degree, or they call 3 weeks training in a specific area. Expertise be no kwa so what I say? Eti enye se ne o de toto degree ni scholarship a ye mo be 3 years 4 years. And man man kwa say obi wo ukra say o to make or clearly. Say you say your man obi o titi ni tiri mo be do so obi wo ye wo ni bia e wo say No. You can say what you want to say. Mama tell me the answer. Bibi about security. Yes. Now, say request a fee about buy now. We are make a show. Say training. Baby, capacity building there. Should be auto scene, no better capacity in that particular field. It is a training. Baby, the expertise of baby. That's what big qualifies for person in the neighbor. Maybe I see no question about what in the neighbor. Now, obey, we are not a catcher. Coffee only minister, meaning coffee minister. Say, Obia. Devi America say ushe matuboku prempe doc ah yes surgeon okay the background or your medical doctor meboa let's say only need nkomo he's an all-rounded person to the education sector kofi debi oni ni she obeka o moya de and how ka krebi na ke ya no do na obi aka se ya de what you say because nipa no odi ade na animo no he's an all-rounded person baby adofe bi onim je wo honom it is at a point in time ka okonya security training be say na se no kra ka won odidi ni dwuma ya enye ga na nya ho fa so
o de emfansi ona me nko eja kofi so me jiri se eja wate wo say ni minister George ye ne MPC no gi a omogi ye
any media men ne eyifonyi agige ye no
o be say media na na person wo de ba mu
ni am better me can say number 1 getting it me can't get fan act no
there's no justification
for the way I abuse to get fan in the past. What I say me emphasis enemy focus on a kwanya be faswa ye be to get fan no ene mai yi said e be ya butaya esi on mine nim 20 years ago no ebebem butaya no na ene say e betimi atechire futu bi ato ho omo a se omo ni bi na so no omo ni me de ekọ enimu no omo betimi ato omo school so na aban den aso masene ena se ye be yi sike bi ato ho na ye de aboa ama ye de expand infrastructural facilities tertiary institutions ena I mean all educational institutions in Falasa. Sane matui. Me say get fan. Yeah, law. Get fan. If you said that get fan 1988 no. Those were the Satana year 1998. Na year Katana cost sharing era. And na universities person more charge students sika for academic facilities afini ade. Enti no nia e course wa e ma Minister of Education then I think it was Spiro Gabra. Or cabinet member they call cabinet any this I get fan low by 2000 na me say na sika ye de ma parliamentarians so mon fan koye capacity building na enka considerations no time bia ye pasem ye mra o pese wo understand it o pese wo te nia ewo emraefo no omo etwimu a okofa cabinet member no okofa memorandum of the law no okofa memorandum of the bill
near time ranechi no
memorandum no ho no okofa la ka ebe mawo nia na samre no mrase bidwafo no ana say aban na wo so samre no na esi na ni so enti a ode sa cabinet memorandum na ekoye eno enti no me say me trese when your history when your name again you witness here and ye no crese na butai si parliament in so and as a Ghana man in so say including the stakeholders in say you beti futu bi say parliamentarians ekusuan de be bom yes a parliamentarian ba kusuan de but mbese me kan say a person you reform get fan na personalizing issues no into my Dr. Opoku Prempe. My share Madam
Adwasafo.
What I say because I mean personal callous no answer because you know him say if free 19 could who have been get fund no heavily politicized. Access to get fund scholarship no politicians any omebusia for any omo following. You want university no. Na politicians about school. ebe dada yen say ye ndi omachi yen ko dwen Tescon and abako teen ko dwen ne omo a ye promise o nyema 2 and na dey promise students bako a scholarship and a second one a national service placement. I'm telling you. And until opa ochina fiase research from 1995 at this year. SRC president.
Na chese politicians ni campaign mo yan campuses no ye ba ye say who be di achi abenya scholarship.
Fiase research from 1995 from 2005 abesiene. SRC president na or 5 public universities. And then news presidents na chese ubehu kakre bi mpa omo nya get fan scholarship. I'm telling you. Now on the we are all into student politics. We all student in this one. Into minimum here. And until you get fan ne dear. If you see every pin I check. But time be a report the bar. Na ya twatching. And until you share the pana. I unfortunately say report have enough traction, and I'm happy about the traction because you pay attention to raise issues. Say this is time for us to kill it once and for all. Let's reform the whole get fund architecture. And they say, you unfortunately say you bought ni PBD on social listening man in the home. Me am down for Prince Dimo Prince Ama Prince.
No ne reply or the be no say bra onya asamo no ye needy
Prince oko school or no obi oko school get fan no can get fan law na o can act na and section 2B no sorry section 2D no say to provide through the National Council on Tertiary Education grants to tertiary institutions to train brilliant students as members of faculties. This is where Prince falls within. He was a brilliant student and he's still a brilliant guy. And he was trained, no University of Education, acquire any PhD or buy and also call back to the school. This is why we set up the fund.
Say yeah, the maukra conditions.
Conditions
was so you be a was so coba. I was so coba now besum.
Now coba now besum.
And so Nipadu was simple no moqua or mosaimba. Now you mean ya what can yamin one? Mean you have may say a politicians no ye come more and near more mujina so ye campaign never campuses are. Get fund or no come home.
Scholarship for
students. Brilliant student. But if you belong to my party, if you follow me,
and national service. And no. Danny Mammy Nui. Me say, all the upcoming politicians, from your young politicians in Yenim. What I say, or more will be on national service. Opa, show now share or movie school SRC president no any president no I show almost somebody they use it to actually get the students to be on their side, especially NUS and SRC. I'm telling you, a matter of fact. And most of the beneficiaries of Get Fund scholarships first student leaders because I promise I won't promise you. The point I want to make is we all know how a Get Fund has been abused and raped. It has been used as a cash cow. PV Bank Assembly in 2010. You see, the public admission of the exploitation of the Get Fund, and yet issue I was saying discuss it. We should even discuss it. I said, we don't have to discuss it. What we need to discuss is how to strengthen the system and then insulating from unnecessary political and MPs, parliamentary by MPs no interference. No, now you sure how I bet me strengthen the secretariat. No, now you are more accountable to the Parliamentary Select Committee on Education, and then also accountable to the Minister of Education. Before say when I say but in terms of say you abuse knows, and you can't say I have that discussion. So we are pretending say you need the course including media persons. Social media for now time get transcripted. Now most of them no people who are normally on the side of the then government. And Yeah, you know, so me quite even to me coming through. And that's how it is.
Let's say a bambia bar get found the idea.
I promise.
A banya what is one and I get found no the Bama Crawford. But so I report you saw a beto jaya. Sabrino, any anka MPs noa or more apply. Get found or munya, no more opposition.
There be no credit. Okay, let's now. So wouldn't him NDC for a woman. Okay, let's now. I also win a patri for the album one printing and before those
NDC for endorse pa.
Now get fan board no. Says I'm grabbing and chairman and I only man. Oh NDC. Sorry, Lajeti. Oh NDC. And you know, bon, and administrator. Omunina, I'm this for a president appoint you. And you know, get found. Yes, I applied. I know. Yamana make a theory. Me say get found. No, it is more or less an extension of the political party of the government. Time be as an etie. And until I may say they were so powerful. Say to be because it was scholarship secretaries. We are not going to give you money. That tells you the point. I'm talking about the 2.5% of value added tax. And yes, is kakase no manage you and until me say me person me coin into whether politicians have abused the get fund or not. They have abused the get fund and they have ripped get fund enough.
And you know, I was a Ghana nipe woman they take advantage na changes in your was a
because see and per se make sure say yeah ma MPP and NDC4 and far way another political chess na year 20 there be you perceive make you ride on the back of this, you know, aura. Catapult into a consensus based on reforming the institutional work of the Get Fund. Now you decided you want to look. If we really want to do what the Get Fund Act is saying now, then we need to begin to give the Get Fund Act the legislative instruments and the legal backing to insulate it from unnecessary parliamentary and executive interference.
Abushie guso haya Adom 106.3 FM bani ni sujumedie so enie Get Fund report to ya betodwa everyone monitor general report to your day aba enie from 2012 emfie son kwanya mpanimfo no afa so aye wadwuma. Imagine say you say parliament na say is it the parliament one no national health insurance enu say a parliament for what chefa wom Get Fund so chefa wom this assembly common fund chefa wom abusia Get Fund projects so akeka ka ho no mo ache say ebi since ho ye ntumi nya ho adwuma etimi ni monitoring na yes wo mfa nkoye no de na omode kwa monitor enu nti na ne nyame ya Adom ministry no ye nya mpanimfo bi ewo fia say ye ne wo hwe ensachira ye ben ena sabre say mia minua bema obi mfo su ka say Get Fund for the one summer ba watch changes aboye wo hono mo a Get Fund is under the Ministry of Education. Eti die changes na be free sabri eko eja to asoma na ye koye ni
ebi me da say o hwe Get Fund response to the comma ejina was state clearly improvement to the processing of scholarships since May 2018-2019. Improvement on my year since mobile May 2018 to 2019 scholarship my issue union. And also one establishment of guidelines by the Board of Trustees. It is say Get Fund administrator no guidelines are my established by the Board of Trustees are about the processing of scholarships. 2. Adverts on the Get Fund website for application of Get Fund scholarships. Now, scholarship secretariat no advertise it. Websites and certain normal issues for application of Get Fund scholarship. It's been advertised. 3. There is strict deadline period for the receipt of applications. 4. Applications are received and coded according to the subject specialities. Then coded applications are kept in a file at administration unit after the deadline date. And then the sponsored students abroad. The sponsored students abroad are now required to execute a bond to return home after their studies and stay and work for at least 2 years after they return to Ghana. As a result of going through elaborate due process, significant improvement has taken place in management of the public fund. It is the also kakai. Se me cheche mo o hwe de o ka twa to na o say no students are Adom ko abrochire on get fan scholarships no on be sign bond say o ko na o konya ni mbe no
na no mon sign bond no
that one I they ka the enei the get fan straight abeto ye no improvement awaye o hono on free over this what so say there na say me just na ye obia wo straight bond be binding is okwa o so oba so just say to no be so che say wa shemu kena say no say amount of sponsorship abroad o be sign bond aba be ye adwuma e wo Ghana at least 2 years and sabeko awasako eti eno na ebi o maye na application say na menyu akọ because apply bi da wa nya no say ebe code it you wait to track your application say ebe ya attraction and e din udwuma you can track it so just say eti eye bibi e pese mu da o fine na obi ehun say scholarship no obi atimi apply bi obi owo any means of adding value to himself and I say what capacity be also obi atimi apply bi eti say ye no we a na uhwe reforms on be omudi abaya me did say they go fit push for senka ye hwe na nka ye nye emre bi e be bind and I say be reforms a e be bo na edimu no I think say aban we to sana mo no and I go fit nyesa na ka ope no aban we to sana mo no
reforms be ya wakan no
among many things but at least tougher na me born wa no
e bi say na enka ye hwe nipa ye this scholarship no ma wo kwanya ye be fa so na ye sa nipa no e wo se ye this scholarship e say me kura de enami hwemu no ka e beti ye si o lecture bi wo ni baby a wo kira de no wo kono akwaji nimde bi de aka ho aba na afa ye behwe na ye politicians
everywhere emra no ho ye tu aboni enkan mu ye na me kana ko visma me nko no no ma me nkan ne tie ne ye o de tie
me tie
ebi wa hwe object of the fund o hwe 21 so wo beti ma bi ne ko 2A 2B 2C 2D so 2DII to undertake research and other academic programs of relevance to national development. Okay, that's the II. Ne ko E no. To provide
if I be ko E ni 2DII kan ye.
No,
2DII kan ye. Me won sama for kan be si ni ti ase tie. 2DII no. Understand the II in the context of the 2D in tie.
No, to provide through national
the man kind is kind D na sir. A sub of the D. Intade will be an respect to the D. D need to provide through the right. NCT grants to
but you see,
only under the NCT.
You're right. So it's a D na say. But let's take the E. Let's take the E.
I want what I said no.
Let's take no. Relax. Let's take the D. E no is a standalone. Yes. Look at the E. Now let's read it. To provide monies to support such other educational activities and programs. Okay. For the promotion of education as the minister in consultation with the board may determine.
Now let me help.
In this case, no. Let me interpret one thing.
Interpretation why go down. No. Interpretation why until you can't interpret your own thing. Go down.
No. Listen.
Under interpretation,
blah. It's a standalone.
No. TT brand 25. Brand 25.
No, I don't have.
No. I don't want to.
Let me explain my thing.
It has been interpreted.
You see?
No. Any general kind.
Coffee.
This is the interpretation. You can't interpret
so
it.
It's over me kasem nana.
Okay.
Entino.
It's the way you say.
What you?
On say na ye kasem me bisa question bi kan say me bedru about nipa no ne kasa no. I was also a media person, also a communication person. Ukoma there are other professionals are get fund sponsor or more ko pay nim there e be boy. Now you see mema e fi say minister kasa no. O ka say sa akwanya the parliament ebre. Now people look for funding from so many places.
Oh dear, so no na ya to aso. Is there so kase problem na ye facing nyina no one ne free order kan you say minister in consultation with one
ABY we agree to reforms at the sector. You see, I was saying clear answer to aso. Nobody is here to defend get fund say e wo ho anado mu ye emre bi atwem no ne kwan so aro no. That is established. So just here. We say many coffee benya exchanges in terms of clear one. Nobody is here to defend get fund. Say get fund, say near no the papa moi it is no sir. So just here. Then you to say I was saying in boa. Na get fund in mandate and the juma also odino. Odino pepe. Na obedi ni juma also odino. The woman so yanka na go fonte. na nko yesi obi a bibi hyemu a ye de asie a amankofa afa so eye ne ma bi ena wiye imitie Kofi mami kama sema won be bia meko Kofi you want you see the government person can say ebi wa we e man e wo me nka nokre ebi wa koka asem na nokre so ka politics nokre so e ba kope sa kwanya ba sa manfo nko ade onko for capacity building that's a bi mu kwati mi ko GNPC ko scholarships ebi ko other sectors ko scholarships na nyina yeni wei na betena na sector one place na ka no say dey hon no ana obi wo mu ntiyan kan fa wa enye fair. What you say? There are a lot of ministers everywhere. Akwa scholarship or GNPC is there no business I didn't listen buy no. Nipa over 2,000. No, is it confusion? No, you are not being fair. You are not being fair.
Meba me atwa so. Unim fozu ye betwa so. If you say near wo kan nti na mbisa o se modwen say wo bi ye bibia seda de atiam mo side no ana meba ho no na ma me nkwa homa so na me ne owura Peter ma me ne Peter Anti entwetwe nkomo na Peter Patanti entwetwe nkomo executive director ma Institute for Education Studies I first entwetwe nkomo e besa amba musu sesia.
Hello
Miss Auntie, good evening.
Good evening
Boko dear
Adom
Adom mejidi say I first we dey ntem report e beto dwa auditor general report to ababonten fa get found no manya bi ahwem
but right
adisua so de ye kan ye yimu firi mu a enye ye get found emra ye gina so edit get found adwuma esese ye ene ne list abeto dwa nipa ye boa wonse wonyi adisua eno na akofa nchi ni wahye wa ba se ade no kokofu bobo muhwe mu no de na mahu sa kirebe na mugidi se wo se ba.
I think they need kind of anytime I search reports about me won't say your political season for find any on person more day, but and that shouldn't prevent us to state the records because we share reports by now. It's who say audit more running from 2012 to 2018. Into a cover very number of people are who in their minds, they think that they need that kind of support from the fund in order that they will be able to access education anywhere in the world. Also, when we say get funds, their setup is presented in such a way that they are not supposed to offer scholarship to individuals. I think that work is basically for the scholarship secretariat. In our minds, what we are thinking is that when they decided to go beyond their mandate, as even indicated by the report, and this is a problem with as we are condemning and talking about this, what we might have to think or what we might have to put in place is the current administrators of Get Fund, should learn from the mistakes of their previous administrators, almost go back to the kind of rota happened already, into the system should be able to deal with those who were responsible for overspending even the allocation for Get Funds. Now, almost go through the same tangent. Dishing out scholarship to people in our minds, and these things they might not have, they must not need
it. From the walking any the caller ever say nipa ni bi ohono mo a say yes ye de get found on penny for nhye ye bo so gina so ye adwuma anka o mon qualify say o mu benya sponsorship no say ye de school say ye de koye course. And then the report is saying said nipa no onu mu nse no mo mfata wonya ye no say was kwanya was ye de o mo fa so asotwe say ne sika na wo say nipa kro de ba o kwanya was ye do fa so no wo gitum say yenye sa de no
and then me because what would we use to define say we on certain factor say we need that kind of scholarship? We're making this point. So what share even the two ministers now? MPs. Those are some MPs now. Access to the guest fund. It was the other governments in and work power. I'm talking about the Minister of Education and Minister of Procurement in 2014, and those that government and work power. Into what present here, it seemed convincing that the administrators of Get Fund at that time, that particular sponsorship for some great program, no, because it wasn't their government. Or if it say, because it be deserving or being deserving, I never take account because our focus is so much on. I think one of the key mandates of Get Fund, which talks about the gifted and needy students, you know. But there are about 5 points there. And also talk about giving sponsorship to people to go and study in order that they will be able to come and help with the general education and development of the country. Inti everything like I said will be refund this car and another will be refund this car. So far as said there is a criteria, then if you match the people against the criteria, that's almost unqualified. That's the share the ABR. Say na and yes by we have not seen their contribution towards the development of the country. Then maybe you will be able to say as soon as the answer been saying only the only fund this channel unless you go through that particular process. I think it's very, very difficult to say catch up this on refund this channel. 146 and as 150 young job is on farm man. I think it will be a little bit difficult for us to make even our agree to set a call.
Tina say yen to me a point say nipa no e de ma wo no omunye needy students and as omunye nipa bi omo kire won say yen ta wachi yen to me nyina sa point no kwa so nka say mo fi esika ma yen
Debbie. I don't know what was the Get Fund Act now. You would see there are additional mandates are the kind of people as these people would be able to access. I just want to, if you have time, I would just want to read to you. I think the object of the fund, or saying, sorry.
Me did say iya na wo ba be kan ya kire ye
di na no
enti eno na say ye hu say edi enya eti nsakira ye mbre mu ana
enti say ye hu it show we now share the issue of discretionary powers our constitution. Then you would want to say okay, maybe we have to do something to this. Because of this, maybe a panel, the administrator, the leverage to select who he thinks they qualify under this particular core mandate. No one the one more with the kind of supporter they need. So you might want to look at it in that perspective. Maybe you are tweaking that particular point. Nipa no only see the discretion and find it. In Jews, no thing na make us very difficult. Say everything you throw bit to see a catch and say, I did the man no refund this kind because they be overshare the criteria now administrator and you see now of within this particular criteria and what act but the instances where they get fund used or more money than what they were allocated to them, that one we can hold the administrator responsible and then deal with them according to the laws of our land.
Yo, Miss Auntie, me Fonsiana, ye na wase enyumri.
Me da everywhere.
I was your executive director, Emma Ifest, who Peter Pate Auntie, and ye no atwetwe enkomo na edina kule wo de afrafra beto honum no. Ye mfo madwen cheba akomienu na ye sorry no ye hia solutions to the problem. Ye ntumi ensipo ne ye so ye a if said obia de nadwin aba emra no na wo se esesem yenyan ne saa efisem panimfo no so a wodi o man nanim ne omo a ye kase se nipa no entitie bi na beboa na adwuma nim a yemfa nka wo so omo hu hia se ye mawo gibia na abusua ensem ni nyina wadwenche dem live wo Facebook betumi de bi afa wo ne akan ede amount Salam Abdul de ya abode abos ye bi why solutions no an ye hia wo eba problem say na say yenya solutions to the problem a na che say ye beka enkosi hwe se to ben so de o say bi why excellent job nyankopon ka mo ho pa na unim me apply for scholarship EB my application me de call ye me ye technical student me call ya omo ka che me say scholarship no me technical student no mu ntimi interpret technical resource eti secondary education and omo de ema ohuni omo de ya yen je say ye de yen ka ho eti mi say mitimba bi na medwene me ho na me pese mi hu ene ebedi ache na menua be ma ya hwama ho se ejago fi so betumi aboa ya o so ne de no technical resource yes omo interpret enye first adwamna o se monto aso pa nice program education no ana mode ema ye no ana WA Sam so o se bi why nyankopon enhia mo papa journalism no ana muguso a mo ye ho adwuma no Glover Mafo ene Chicago frasa mankese wadu Chicago o se bi why can UST leadership to Chicago ena ade aduru mu no na wo Glover Mafo ba no abekirem se scholarship mi bi na ade ko ye se wo frasa mankese hwe na asene no Chicago wo sua de so etu ba abekirem scholarship wa ade ko ye no na wa be kan mati wate Steven Tufo so de Steven na wana ne preso ewo honum Eric Hakuna Matata Kofodua onso de ye ode abose e bi wa mechia wo na wunim education minister will apply for scholarship no and will go through the process and will qualify ye and your man scholarship no by the administrator you will get found one of them penny for aka no one jibo bi answer no je ye de a ede ntina ene Ghana for person mo ya de ne te say bonsama de bi wa chinchim obi nsa no akwaje due process ni efesi ehu no se due process so na nipa ne na mo nya ye de a ene menyimi se ye ho hwebe ye Castro the Saint o se bi wa se wo hu ye mbanimfo no you see wo hu mbanimfo na adwuma mo ye Baba Lukman so de ni o se bi wa jaye leaders no ja wo mo asem se ya no mo de se ya o rete sam no waje egu na wape ba bi afa walanya akwatia no wadi we fi o se bi wa sa get fund scholarship ho nsem ya aye pinso wo man no emu no eye political circles ni nyina emu na wo chese NDC aban no ene aban ya wote so ne wo mo manya bi nyina no ade no sa na didemu ampa de toda utim se aban ne baso a na ministers ne mpanimfo no ne sukuu ne ye kosa obi abamba no wo ye PhD ye ne ka ho na epoku ban wo se bi wa mechia wo na mahwe auditor general report no mu na ade ba ko ama observe ne se get fund secretariat no sika no senka ombe yusu no judiciously brofo ikese senka sika no mo de be ye adwuma mfa so be ba so no omo ka ni omo de ye nyina nya de se ede mfa so bi ebre o man Ghana pa kwasi Freeman onso ne de na wo de adudwo mama so ti dwo mama ne corrupt appointees na omo de get fund scholarship no omo amfa amani di ba brilliant students nti omo de ma NDC aparachiefs MPP for so din wo mbi why minia MPP for so din na abepiem no Bonti Benjamin Achimabu akwa o se bi why difference between application for financial support for capacity building and scholarship ya de emma ho enti no so be apply for say capacity building yem so na sene na bonyi nimde emfa ntai ne wo ye chi a any scholarship say nipa no ye man scholarship say fakosu ade no big difference wom eti yenhwe na yentumi differentiate between the two me and kamum ya set so de ni o say bi why ene Austin says asana me di we efre o say wa hwe scholarship pa yesi emwa no na mo kamu asem ya sa nyame hu ye mobo na Dominic no kotu so de o say bi why enwumre ho na ayefe empanimfo mesra mu ada solution no enei me gidi se minu abema obi mfosu akenkan and Sachaya get from penny for so more again honomo. Eja wetie. Near Ebe Buayeni.
Okay, Matse. Mr. Maka say there's some reforms there. But na minya updates ne. But on one side there suja. My main can say. I never see order.
I see what order say.
Oh, see order. Tam na banahene. Ewo honomo no. Na send them now honomo. They once assisted all those processes. The man no mentioning now, no, be any why be solve problem. E be any ho.
Me jiri se utie se ne obobo so ma
What kind?
Near outline here no, processes. Medical I said they get fund no, they are not supposed to implement. The Get Fund is not a scholarship awarding agency. They are not set up to award scholarship, but as a manage scholar. Our framework no, doesn't allow them to implement. Or a funding agency, they are set up as fund managers. Until also one with this Edema Scholarship Secretariat are the statutory body are mandated to manage scholarships now. Any other agencies, but they cannot implement. Immediately they start implementing, and say you go back to square one. Any number one. And time I say process not outlining now, no, their process are our order. Audit report we air in the last 7 years. Before then there was another administrator. Fusuaba, but I know that they were yeah. No, that time there were most of these processes. For example, say it's an online application, you go there, look, those are processes. The fact, look, the issues are that the Get Fund and they say a makwine. And I'm coming to the recommendations. Number one, what we need there, we need a legislative instrument to provide a framework for operationalizing the secretariat of the Get Fund. Not defining the powers of the administrator. Not defining boundaries. To me, and never say they are not an implementing unit. They cannot award scholarships. They have no right to do that. Extra. Second, in the LIN first. In the LIN, I was saying it clear said the Get Fund cannot implement any policy. They are not supposed to. They are engaged in operation. They are a fund management agency. The third one, for the issue of foreign scholarships. LIN, I was saying it clear. Say it is not the intention of government to fund foreign scholarships under the Get Fund, because the cost of funding a scholarship program in the UK, an MA program, no, 15 times the cost of spending of us doing the same course in Ghana. Or because University of London, acquire BSc laws under Get Fund. Or to me, acquire BA in international relations. Our University of Cardiff. How many hours listen so? BA. That's a program.
Ebe yon wan so obi kura de okoye nursing.
That's a program be am UK biano. It costs 15 times more to do it in UK than in Ghana. And it is a mark of your scholarship on Get Fund, on scholarship Get Fund. Nipa 15 one more Ghana. And until I was saying get clear say it is the intention of government and the priority for that matter. Say Get Fund should fund more tertiary scholarships. Maybe I can say about 13 needy orphans and tertiary institutions. If you want my base square, you have a of social media and psychotic office. Now we could scam about for say on concourse in the bridge. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense at all. And you know, these things must be made clear in the LI that the Get Fund shall not be used to fund foreign scholarship except where there are no institutions running such a program in the country. Yeah, any clear. There are any clear our LI ni say Get Fund no. It is not meant to fund MP trips. Clear. Because MPs no approve formula no. And they do one more influence every year. Formula no more approve now they are in here no. Yeah, any clear say the Get Fund cannot be used to fund MPs activities. Either MPs monitoring no.
Now bro for na ba.
Say MPs monitoring no me your constituency no. I am obia allocated 2.6% or so of the Get Fund, the MPs monitoring. No, I was saying clear in the airline. They say Get Fund and meant for MPs monitoring of projects, and at the same time, it's meant to finance foreign trips of MPs. And clear MPs foreign trips, but Get Fund. And at last but not the least, no. Who say it me LI we at the parliament na yesu stampa. Ebe boy na ochina MPP any power. NDC be power. But it's answer your airline, you secure the interest of Ghana. And then the bed they say, my young no Akua Boakyewaa get fund scholarship. A bed. But what's in and in all the discussion, Ghana. The interest of people are needy, our munisca, our mature education, so no, and supreme. Now, young can see say, get fund, a focus on 90% at least on providing scholarships for students who are needy in accredited tertiary institutions in Ghana, as said in the Get Fund Act, Section 2. Na yenya fa so
na ese ne mu adi ne de ye ma omuni nko
medinko ba ne aka no ye mbɔ ho ban ye hyembra ne ye bia ne ye hyembra no but misremo mama my market fund for implement policy but get fund no ye implement unit. They have no right to award scholarships. They have no right to even outline selection criteria, advertise on their website processes. They have no right. They are a fund management agency. That's what the law says. And you know,
if Mr. Fosuke no, let's just say call website ubetumi anya forms ubetumi ni nyina no
they be about the same place in 5 years time.
We want
to solve the problem.
Interesting. Some of the can ye what the can say get fund. You see you again how the very get fund that's no seeking or be yen never young for so. And I say but I get fund no you bedroom. But my solutions be back one finding no or clear man can be me the power. Because what I say and you get fund do my DNA say be my scholarships. Or your fund manager, such as here. Now, also conclude say get fund and focus on scholarship or the Bema or Mumbai. I didn't know Ghana
funding.
Okay.
Funding.
Funding. Okay, they are fund managers. Okay, so that's on private funding now. Then it's clear now.
That's all.
Because I heard you say. Focus on scholarships. I'm Bema locals. No, also America because
funding.
Said everybody.
No, there will can't be see timer or we decide yes a young casa ye Bema scholarship no ye no so usually mu 80% or mama ye no foreign students.
Moving forward. Francis he spent 1 million Ghana cedis on scholarships in a year. It was 900,000 Ghana cedis. A call for local scholarship. A year quantum no. Of funding.
So funding, okay. So that's right because you say about foreign scholarships and that's secretariat no scholarships secretariat. But now maybe now can commit to us here because so the end by mass any money get fund ever start say OAB. Say first no no or ten actor say the you setting up on the Jumadi. But then the see ma Sadia no koba say get fund start here. Do you know? So here we are. I me politics. You see everywhere. Now, as I make a say, I say no car. Now, be say Ghana 40 years. Can you create a woman? O can you create a hotel? It didn't see. We are out here. Get a scholarship secretariat. And I come on and come share. No share Ghana for more. I'm because they command it right. Yes, I do. Foreign scholarships, fancy local scholarships as well. You got to a point and the one near Obi, Ekas on no crown or no house idea. Now, sick assembly idea in more bedding, scanema, so here. Didn't tell Ocase age of for instance, no cry, they be able to you should come now, media from Mutaibo, Amutai from Mufio. Almost come by a common do my common. Me and me find my release this canoe. Maybe I would take my release this cassia fanco. I didn't scan in Koya. I bet to just say Ghana for the one. AC a penny, no more on trim. And then the command say, administrator, according to Ina, I can say Hono, a Hono, a quite a while to me. And you know, take decision says, idea. You better say, you may. Go what I say. So on the channel. Eti I want to come as idea in your head, Ecobe, more no. Now, if you get fund scholarship, no, or to be more foreign scholarships because more idea scholarship day. So what I say because they did more foreign scholarships. They almost more day or more issues foreign scholarships. And I come and acquire a quantum of 2,000 and then to 1,000 or so. For locals.
In fact, report say in that year, 2012 was a day, no, the administrator, or refuse to provide funding to the scholarship secretariat. And until one report where people answer questions.
No, you see, Bakofi and another man who's a course now. What's a baby that did be bow? Say, Akoba say, and cry to Makogo and I, or say, Shane Bomo Brano, Scanning Qua. Not fund money, Janet, on that's one young share. So what I say, it's been a couple of bibiba. But moving forward, and then you know, you say, clearly say, and you're Omajumano. Because acting no honor. But acting and feminine up there. Sakoyano also Musome, which me do me. It will should firm up the act. Now, instead, Nema clearly say, you did this about me, baby. Yes, you know. So when I any my because say, yes, Shamra or Semrano. People say this Semrano, and money to me this because a problem in the buyer, teenage now, the Semra. But say, Emrana to me, I need the entire share, so I say, problem no better, about cost Friday. So I believe, say, it is another way, I like the way in the discussion. Sinabea, the baby, you know, now you but I be or say the beboa because get for straight and penny for you now. I believe so muti de Kawai. And professional mestre. Now is it Jinek? Says only Jinek be mana.
No, me represent Africa Education Watch.
Hey, honestly,
Africa Education Watch. Nina, who's on the Adiciano?
Na Jinek, na the Becca later.
It's mono ministry, no, and the Shamo. Some Musumbe take a decision. Ebebu, if you say, yeah, can't get fund in no under education ministry. It's in such a year was a band to no Ghana for him winning. The Ebaka see about reforms. I'll be Kofina Beja to say, Minister, you will be reforms of YB. It's in way now, Abbey, yes, so say. Yeah, and I could say reforms. The past 3 years in the reforms there. Everywhere there's reform within the education sector. Yes, Ghana or Betrania or Yawo or Bayawo.
The political will to reform before say an issue, but we just need to maintain the momentum. But may I assure that the political will for reform because there are a lot of reform initiatives that are taking place within the education sector in the past 3 years. And you know, and I make us say we need to sustain the momentum. And yes, sir, because we are a very, very political issue. Political in the sense that politicians are more. One of their main, resources from the same, but it is in the interest of the country, and I have no reason not to believe, say, government will initiate the necessary reforms. Yeah, so as Africa Education Watch, we are going to submit a memorandum to the ministry in respect of discussions they are having now, you're recording now, you're going to put together a memorandum and submit to the ministry because then a day, me say. We need to have an ally. Make kind news item be 2010. The late people of being kind say 10 years no ally. What are we doing? After that 4 years, Public Account Committee, Honorable Menu Kanye, Menu Kanye. Every time be a Public Account Committee basically biano. The issue is raised. Where is it? At the point when
Honorable Menu was the chairman for Public Accounts Committee.
In 2012, the Get Fund Board no crack say there is now a draft LI or they call for cabinet approval. And we don't want to miss the opportunity to make the LI for Get Fund a buying priority.
Yo. Abushan for Benin issues Jumedie so enie na kwaku frempon say mechia wono mpenim fo anyumre pa ebiwa na Anthony Ayomi so on the ne de ba ya good evening mechia mo pa Adri Ebenezer was more fire ebiwa monto aso na momma yehu ya adisua na yehu niema mu Mariam ya se mehwe mo ebiwa good job nyame enka mo ho Yakubu Kobna also good job na ofe kwame was mehwe mu fi teshi mana Teshimana Mission Hospital and a Mishemu Efre, Kamapa, Ebiwa, Montoaso, Emfa, Emaye, and Aluminium Ahmed Sodie, or say in Nigeria, and a Mitiemo Efre. Henry Madonna Wine Sodie, or say program no and then Meniajemopa, Cove City, and a Mitiemo Efre. Or for Isaac, was a Mishemu Free, Libya, Tripoli, and a Mishemo Ede Efre. Emmanuel Mensa, there be Odobe Wadvete. Spiritual man David Amadi Hermosa so edie wouldn't send for na adwene hu Professor F Opon was a more fire Cocoa scholarship ne de ebiwa ka ho asem papa na omo akoko scholarship no munya nyo omo na ewo so omo enya Munkaila Jonas said here so edie ni o se ebiwa who be sasedi enti ene din no a ewo mu dodo na akoye MPP for kire se MPP for pa adihia MPP for no pa adihia ene omo maka ne pa adihia no nti ene ehu din bebre ewom no asidika so de ni set or say ebiwai hwe sa get found in same way se yanyi amanyosem amfiri mu na mra ebeboa mpanimfo anye ne yi a Ghana yebebre agukwa ena baba so de yi abode aba se ebiwai mimi hia scholarship o misre kache mpanimfo no mpanimfo mu tie de baba Lukman se wonu ohia scholarship nti no monkyere ni mu kwan obefa so obenya bi na baba omo te ha yi Kofia sai se wono okoye wenya bi nti no mi hu asem obeka oso anya de ontwe na
ontwe reform ni bi na se ya what
nai o ma anya nwie dia se okwa onyemo
ontwe answer
if the other guy also the
person says scholarship decentralized there. Even from education on that. No how to apply.
Yeah, education here say answer.
Because as I didn't can liberation but because we've had a fair discussion today. Ebia the Kofi Kan or Kano agrosso. So I'm training reform answer.
There's also
because I am passing your scholarships on tertiary level say no. Your scholarships are funded by the Get Fund. Ewo Krumha.
Ghana.
Exactly. One of the way new Get Fund to don't buy on my year. Until they began giving more scholarships. I mean, some scholarships to tertiary students. And then they may aware.
Oh, the man,
minimum how access.
Obechi, mammy from a woman and to Ghana check when you befa so be apply. Abusia, yet the woman to 0302 216561 and 0302 216562 0302 216561 and 0302 216562. Minia, now,
can say, they say, we are aware say municipals no be a scholarship.
Municipal
at the district level, yes.
It's no,
from the district, from the municipal office.
Yeah,
because it has been decentralized. You see, a commodity
was checking with district crowd one. Obey me by hello
reform.
Major Suminia.
Mwamuni ejuma panzo awoye.
Medase.
We na se berma. Nkasa African kamantu.
Na se mi enti o.
Istefwa, mi pachowa we de mi bisa se get fan ye de man.
Ekuani.
Istefia. Yeah, mi pacho mi bisa se get fan ye de man. Omu MPC be put and contact. Because me who say get fan ama MPP anasu bia waba bi bu contact me who say edika health insurance pay wom scholarship pay wom senior man all the year and now I'm fine and I can hear the mama omu use it free and a scholarship so ye wom ye ko for work class omu nya bio scholarship ya channel kan ha na so nipa no koko so ni koko board na nkasa ahon mu and wom scholarship no manesa entini ne do koko ne be da nya bia meyema papa ni create mu yi.
Yeah, that's a pa mini abema. Say asem no wabisa no. MPs get fund for bi na waje National Health Insurance or GB. District Assembly. Dear no mode yen konta be no mubu. Ma memfa we here. Hello.
Hello.
Eja udini baby afrefre.
Akua ni.
Ayo.
Auntie Julie kan why?
Yeah, Auntie Julie on kan so hu na boko
de. We are second film lady.
Me da say.
Second film why I dey papa. This one first. What did you know? I won't come around for you know. Now, someone who says that science to come here, the year, and I'm one of the tonight. Yeah, what go. Now, then, advance son. Now, I want my entire now, I will do this. When I'm young, what did you want to come around for?
Auntie Julie me na wase Auntie Julie de fan na no hia bi wo so no mre wafo so monkai wo mo ti je se ye pa Auntie Julie fan ni ne de ko hello hello mini na free so hello eja udi ni baby afrefre
but I semi ko bi ni fesi atare kanzeno
ko bi mi enti
me contribute to your program Metier expert na what's our more kind man say my no politics. Okay, Ghana Hana, you want. I did hear the NDC, MPP, the Diana, I say. You become start if you say, education minister or apply. And who yai. 18 no so apply no way ya, or the baby boy or mano, no mano acquaintance. So, okay, no buy no. Need to my old teacher or mambano, or ye, Eddie Boy Mano, my air, Kinamofono, ending, and I say, or the Avia, Sika, man, or mano. So, I hope one will push you out the North, the way to me, and my brown dear. What is it?
Yeah, that's it. Hello. 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 When to me. Hello. Hello.
Akua.
Eja udini baby afefe. Ma wa fidie
no. Sorry. Yeah, from a coffee me free adenta.
Yeah, coffee badu.
I bet me ayo no. Akua. Me pacho penifo ho minim wo mudimen tie program no fiviti ate me ko ba bi midua na kasa kwa wo mo aka wo mo kasa me tese ba ko kai e me ya eno na mahu sie me nkoso eti na ma ke bi me sra wo mo minka bibi ntia wo mo ina me frɛ saa asɛm no sɛbe mo ni ma me frɛ ni jimi kasa ja men ka yɛm fa manya menya hwe nyame bɛyɛ me tie penifo ba ko asma o kan sɛ die emu adie di wo mo ni nko democracy ni ko so free baby yetumi tu obi funu edi na sem na bai fefunu no adinti na yakɔ ebi ayade no emra adi wo mo sɛ ebi no adi ade ne mai kra no a me kese e was a parliament ekɔ emra also mo follow ni ade mo bu mo ni aguso sɛ eba ni afi yɛmfa nkanya hwe ni amɔ de aka no ho ba ya no mo kɔ so sisi yi eno na me yɛma ni nye yi until say you be punish nipa no many of us forget it.
Kofi yada se papa Kofi de ne se emra no enye adwuma ma me fa frefo intwacho. Hello
me asoje kamo papa me sister.
Nana Mohammed minim baby awona who say do betu yaso anwumre hello mame fa unsia baby awona nyina yie kwasi for yafia kwa bua ene mu amaka nyina na ansa ne ebekọ no ma memra wo so na Pierre entwa so emayen
okay
na o che kwan ya yebefa so
na me ka say so ya ko fika no funding for scholarships no your agencies be brema scholarships but what I know is scholarships secretariat almost scholarship mo dem masi say no you decentralizing no the ten say you say ben nipa no say ne enko is obi net say ne o say meti say na the friend say koko scholarship ye channel koko board office no it is our idea no obi say no say o ma office be the cra no say the cra no you must scholarship or we was ampa obi fi e cra one ma the enya scholarship ni bi because office is say cra no it mean come scholarship any come obi ofi baby for scholarship because office na bia
it is a koko de no a district assembly hono
so that is what we've done. The scholarship secretary is saying no o decentralized scholarship issue no o come municipal office bia you must scholarship or o come district office bia must scholarship or that means a scholarship in our district one
enye nyina na wo be bankran ha
no you don't have to come here you decentralize it until you apply to your district minim kofo a district amomo scholarship mo dey akosu ade I know some of them from the district level and they say into because scholarship ko be dey na yenya me apply me enya bia then you are trying to say you don't belong to any district and uni municipal bia so
was so who assembly awo bibini anu akoko no
ko bisa say ko bisa
na enya political affiliation bia na wo dey ko
it has been decentralized I go for take advantage omonya scholarship dia kosu ade mesre obi bi obedi say I publish scholarship bia no so foreign ones there so publish now show my criteria on if we it metre year omo fast ko omo fa ni ade o qualify now apply then you can go to your district
obi question obi say ya wo hwe ha no fa say ono or a technical student okwa ya say the results no ombeden no omahu ono de onka ho
no say oko you see scholarships no scholarships there's another thing so say clear no anum enye bibiana I think that one you enye bibiana cause na kwa ya
Mr. Sanre ho no
membuano in a very simple manner scholarship secretariat no enye omo na omo admission omo ma scholarship into wo kwa ha
wo be kwa akopɛ admission
wo ni admission ani sɛ oban wakora into no papa na woka no ni sɛ admission letter into no onkopɛ admission scholarship for na dia omo ma admission omo ni school
o akonya school no
anya admission na wo hia moa no na akɔ hɔ no into no mfa the results no nkopɛ admission wo school opese okɔ no in manner there as a basic secondary tertiary internet technical cry other secondary
school
now but na scholarship for here on honom no na admission letter no we the results
yeah that's it but inform me sia na ye na mase anwumre moa mo de abeboa ye sonko ye da mase emoa na so bi na anwumre ene Adbeve Herbal Center Mona soap Mona cream wode aboa ye eti abusua ma kire wo kwampa no ube dware ama when you good scent na we de no so ani ada ho no so a eye Mona soap na Mona cream na Adbeve Herbal Center e de abadwa so ye wunya bi di dware na de nku no asra na wo na wo sene no alomo bitters alomo at 20 abusua kona kwaje aponche wo promotion no wo ya wo ntwa so da alomo bitters wo de aponche ahoma so ne mene no waje wade wo na wo sene no t-shirt so beje mobile phone so beje TV ahoro promotion no wa ye papa kasa prekode wo ka so ya de a wo ye ma hote etiko na alomo bitters na jewode Franco Trading Enterprise enhirane aseda ene de ma papa Franco say ene TV papa wo de ba adwa so mobile phones yo de ba ye ni nyina omanfo asomu wonye wode a no waje wode kama me de aseda ma mi producers awota machi anwumre ene listo wo kwadwofojo abedna gwasantie siedu kwa mkule nu Felix Anima Pau ena Frank Milovan Facebook live so aseda ena enko emma obroni Mary Yesu Mame medana se papa abusua mesumi din edi ABY madam ase emma monitia munyimi phone na ne emfamo ensi ha sei ne aka ye de beto amoso ama anwumre yakọ yanimo ebo ne aka nyina emu
into the union bemu a parliament in your invitation free Harvard see Miss Yadi now Chimiansa yeti permission of parliament get from the sponsor in Yemenkoa and Yadu 2014 accept I home character a free 2017 Minkoji get Francisca I'm a minister of education